Telling you, this dude was fucking me up. He was pissing me off today. He was definitely making me turn it up, go to a different level. Like the way he was throwing Dingeon, I couldn't wake up and stun gun. Look, he just got online now. I can't even play him because my girl want to talk on the phone. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't about to be trying to play him and talk on the phone. He gonna be whooping my ass trying to do that. I already tried that before. That don't work. Nice spin kick. I don't know how I'm getting hit by flush shit. Look, no wake up stun gun. I wish I could Street Fighter 4 mash that shit out. But nope, takes real skill to play this game. I was trying to wake up super right there. That fireball was so meaty. Because I knew if I parried and tried to stun gun, he could have got away. So I had to just do it raw.